Hi guys, welcome to Hills Garage. I'm Frank. We're a Nissan Infiniti specialist. We do everything from service and maintenance to full builds. Today we're here with our customer Shelton's twin turbo 350Z. We're going to be doing suspension bushings, suspension links, rear diff bushings, and a big brake kit. So this is my first time on camera, so you guys will have to bear with me. First video. So I'll do my best and hopefully we'll see some cool stuff. Let's get started. SPL sway bar links, fully adjustable, so you can adjust the tension or preload on your sway bars. And they have some spacers on them, so you can also adjust to make sure they sit perpendicular. Hey guys, today we got the SPL upper control arms, the lower control arm inner bushings, the shock bushings, the compression rod bushings. We did the sway bar links, and we got the front half of the Brembo big brake kit installed. Stay tuned and we'll get the rear half of the car done.